This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9130E or 9135E. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your computer using USB cable. This printer is currently connected via Wi-Fi network. We're going to disconnect Wi-Fi network, or we're going to disable the Wi-Fi network and connect this printer and laptop using a USB cable. So go to the menu, scroll down and go to settings, select settings, then select network. It will show you the Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth. So select Wi-Fi, then switch off the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is turning off, and if you look, this printer is no longer connected to Wi-Fi network. Then we go back. So go at the back of the printer. USB port is covered with the paper, so I'm going to remove the paper. Okay, so we'll remove the paper and take the USB cable, connect it to the USB port. Now take the other end of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear the noise to show you that it's recognized it. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, go to the laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, select printers and scanners, then add a device. So it's adding the device. Scroll down and select HP OfficeJet, showing us idle, print test page. There we go. Tray 1. So the tray 1 is showing us different paper. So now what we want to do is we want to change the paper to A4 paper. Tray 1, change the paper size, the type is plain, size A4, then select done. Now we want to print test page, print test page. There we go. You have correctly installed your Microsoft class driver and data raw USB. So this is printer test page. So this is how to connect this printer and laptop together using a USB cable, and this is the USB cable here. And from this you can also scan the document. You want to scan the document, stick the document that you want to scan, close the scanner, then select open scanner. It's showing us HP OfficeJet. Now select scan. This document is scanning. Then select view. So this is how to scan to computer. You can print this document out, save it, and once you're done, then you select done. You want to print this document that we scanned, you just need to select print. Then select the actual printer, scroll down and make sure you select the correct printer. Print on one side. Then select print. HP OfficeJet Pro. Select print. This is the document we scanned, and printed it out. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.